Welcome to Machines Visit. But today's video isn't just about machines. It's about how far technology has gone and how it's quietly replacing some of the hardest human labor. Stay with me, because some of these might genuinely surprise you. Let's get into it. There's a company called Posch GmbH, and they've developed something that feels almost unreal at first glance. A machine designed to cut and split entire tree trunks, with barely any human effort involved. And here's the part that stands out. Even if only one person is operating it, the productivity doesn't drop. It works through a synchronized system of 3 key stages. First, the logs are automatically lifted and placed onto a feeding table. Then a high-powered saw slices them into precise 15-centimeter sections. But it doesn't stop there. Those blocks are instantly pushed through heavy-duty splitting knives, dividing them into 4 or even 6 pieces in seconds. What makes this even more impressive is the safety system. Built-in light sensors constantly monitor the surroundings, instantly stopping the machine if something enters a dangerous zone. It's fast, but it's also calculated. Now imagine a machine that doesn't just work on land, but walks straight into water. That's exactly what the Watermaster dredger is built for. At first, it almost looks unstable, but the moment it enters the water, everything changes. Controlled remotely, it uses powerful hydraulic legs to stabilize itself before starting operations. Whether it's removing invasive plants, clearing trash, or reshaping riverbanks, it handles everything with precision. Its interchangeable attachments allow it to switch between dredging, piling, and raking, all without slowing down. And once it starts moving, it doesn't stop easily. But not all machines are built for water. Some are designed to dominate the land. Completely, take the Adder Typhoon clearing mower. This isn't just a mower, it's more like a controlled force of destruction. It can cut through dense vegetation without hesitation, and even slice through a 12-inch thick tree as if it's nothing. That level of power comes from its radial piston motor and reinforced spindle system, built to handle extreme conditions. What used to take hours of manual labor now takes minutes. And then comes agriculture, where precision matters more than power. Covering massive farmland has always been a challenge. But machines like the Agrifac condor sprayer are changing that. With the ability to spray across a 54-meter wide field, it moves carefully between crops using adjustable narrow wheels, reducing damage that traditional machines often cause. Its Green Flow Plus system maintains constant spray pressure, ensuring minimal waste and maximum efficiency. Because in farming, even small losses matter. Now here's something the forestry industry has been waiting for. The Diamant 2000 wood chipper is built for one purpose, and it does it aggressively, turning massive logs into usable wood chips at a rate of up to 380 cubic meters per hour. That's not just fast, that's industrial-level transformation. It can produce chips ranging from 15 to 60 millimeters, making it ideal for biomass fuel and organic mulch. And with adjustable settings, operators can fine-tune output based on their needs, saving both time and money in the process. Meanwhile, in the agricultural sector, farmers are constantly investing in machines that can handle unpredictable terrain. Manufacturers like Gregoire Besson have introduced advanced plows equipped with modern blades and hydraulic rollers. These systems automatically adjust to ground conditions, maintaining stability even on uneven land. Because when the ground shifts, the machine has to adapt instantly. But here's where things take another turn. Cleaning water bodies has always been slow and labor-intensive, until machines like the CleanTech Infradredger came in. This floating dredger can reach depths of up to 50 feet, rotating a full 360 degrees to remove sludge, silt, and heavy weed growth from rivers, canals, and urban waterways. What once took weeks can now be done in a fraction of the time. And for farmers working with sugar beet crops, efficiency is everything. That's why machines like the Agrifac Hex Trax Harvester are gaining attention. With a 6-row harvesting system and a 12-inch touchscreen interface, operators can monitor everything in real time. But the real innovation lies in its product plus scalping system. By adjusting the defoliator height, it reduces damage to the crop, something that directly impacts profit. Because at this level, even small mistakes can cost a lot. And just when you think machines have reached their limit, they evolve again, but here's where things get even more practical and a bit unexpected. There's a ditch cleaning system equipped with what's known as a throwing wheel mechanism. At first, it might look like just another attachment, but once it starts working, you realize how much effort it replaces. Machines like those developed by Amos Industry are designed to completely remove silt and mud from drainage systems with precision. The rotating wheel doesn't just scrape, it throws material out efficiently, clearing the ditch in a single pass. And because of its blade system, the results are not partial, they're complete. No leftover buildup, no repeated work. Now, if you're dealing with forests instead of ditches, the challenges become even tougher. That's where machines from Ecolog come in. Built for extreme terrain, these harvesters don't rely on brute force alone. They rely on smart engineering. With a chassis that can till up to 25.5 degrees, it stays stable even on uneven ground where most machines would struggle. Its suspension arm absorbs shocks, while a powerful Volvo Penta engine ensures consistent performance without excessive fuel consumption. But the real advantage? A 350-degree rotating cabin, meaning the operator barely needs to reposition the machine, saving time, fuel, and effort, because in forestry, efficiency isn't optional. Now let's shift back to farming, where precision and care matter just as much as power. Planters like the ones from Grimm Group are designed to handle both soil preparation and planting in one system. Whether it's pre-ridging or cutting ridges, the machine adapts to the task. With 9 support wheels, it can carry up to 3 tons without losing stability. And with adjustable working widths, around 75 to 90 centimeters, operators can fine-tune their setup based on crop type and field conditions. Because one wrong move in farming can damage an entire row. And then comes harvesting, where speed directly affects profit. Modern corn harvesters now come with compact, multi-row systems that are surprisingly efficient. Some models can harvest up to 0.8 acres per hour, significantly reducing manual labor. The process is simple but effective. First, the corn is cut and collected. Then it's transferred into a hydraulic tilting hopper, which automatically unloads into a transport vehicle. No delays, no wasted motion. But storing the harvest, that's a completely different challenge. That's where the grain bagging systems from Lofness change the game. These machines pack grain into massive polyethylene bags, up to 10 feet in diameter and 500 feet long. Once sealed, something interesting happens inside. Oxygen levels drop and carbon dioxide rises. This natural shift creates an environment where insects and fungi simply can't survive, preserving the grain without any chemicals. It's slower than traditional methods, yes, but it significantly extends shelf life. Sometimes the smartest solution is the simplest one. Now, let's talk about durability. In North America, machines like the FC460 mower have gained attention for one key reason: protection. When a spinning disc hits an obstacle, instead of damaging the entire system, the design sacrifices a small component above the bearing. This prevents major gear failure, saving both time and costly repairs. It's a small detail, but it makes a huge difference in the long run. And finally, one of the most aggressive ditch clearer machines out there. The OJK 13 ditch cleaner from Sual Oy is built to handle the worst conditions. Using a powerful 220 horsepower tractor, it doesn't just clean ditches, it completely reshapes them. Roots, stumps, debris, everything is removed in a single pass. And the best part? The material is evenly spread along both sides, leaving a clean and usable surface behind. No second round needed. And just like that, you start to realize something. These machines aren't just tools anymore. They're solutions to problems that once required massive time, labor, and effort. So the real question is, how far can this technology go? Thanks for watching Machines Visit. Let me know in the comments, which of these machines surprised you the most? And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, because what's coming next might be even more unbelievable.